Wembley, Wembley, we're the famous Man United and we're going to Wembley. Wembley, Wembley, we're the famous Man United and we're going to Wembley. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks the day that Manchester United women made the semi-finals of the female FA Cup. And today marks the day that Manchester United's male team made the semi-finals of the males FA Cup. So forgive me if I'm feeling elated. Forgive me if I'm feeling refreshed and renewed for the week. But Manchester United is going to Wembley. Wembley. We're the famous Man United and we're going to Wembley. What's going on, people? What's going on? Bless yourself. Today was a great day for Manchester United female team and for the male team. We are on our way to getting the first female title. Remember, Manchester United just built that team from 5 years now, and we're still going strong. Going to Wembley, well, not necessarily Wembley, but going to the semi-finals, get the draw, going to the finals, and hopefully can win it, fam. So kudos to the female team. Bless yourself on that one. Male team today again, won. Not easily, but we still won. So before going any further, people, referee, blow the whistle. Ha! Let's go. Where do we begin? Let's start off today with big shout out to Mark Skinner and his female team. They played a very good game against Leeds. I can't remember the name of the team, but it's a second division team in the female league, and it was a tough game. The team was physical, very difficult to break down, and I'm not going to lie, I loved every single second of that game because you can tell that the girls really wanted to get to the next stage, which was the semifinals, and they did that. Pushed hard. Um, Alessia Russo with the opener, Vilda Baurisa with the second one, and then the second team came in and scored a second goal, made it 2-1, but then Manchester United, Nikita Paris with the winner 3-1. So again, good job, Manchester United female team on to the quarterfinals. Bless up yourself. And then the big one, Manchester United's male team versus Fulham, and this was a very, very rough game, to be honest with you. We didn't start too well. Fulham kept on to the ball more than I thought they would. Not going to lie, they kept on to the ball more than I thought they would. We didn't have much. Like McTominay doesn't have the ability to pass through lines or dribble to a player and make a pass. So it's difficult for us to pick up the ball from the back line and dribble through him and make a pass here or there. So we didn't have that ability. So we lost a lot of that when Eriksen is not playing, when Casemiro is not playing. So it's tough to watch Manchester United play right now because the next 3 games are going to be difficult because we don't have the ability to pass through the team because they make up a block and it's difficult to pass through them if you don't have the ability to make that pass. But we came through it, made a substitution, took off McTominay, bring on Anthony, and you can see that the team started playing differently because what Anthony offers to this team is the weight. When you give him the ball on the left hand side, even though he's not going down all the time and beating his player and going around them, he's doing that thing by getting on the ball and create spaces for right back to run behind him. Then he can go inside or even pass the ball to the right back. So it's very good and in that regard. So best yourself factor, Anthony. Very good performance. Sancho with the heavy take down, Leno take down the other defender and the penalty for the first goal. Now, this team, this game was filled with nothing but controversy, and I want to know from your point of view, when did that Brazilian fraud become Neuer? When did that Brazilian fraud become Manuel Neuer? You know who I'm talking about. William. When did he become a Manuel Neuer? Because the man had dived like him Like in my prime manual now if I try to save a goal now. And I see it. I saw it. Well, it was not that, but still. Yeah, so Sancho knocked down the other defender, put in the corner, and he just hands right here, took it out and then try to keep it in like I was, oh, I touched it. No, you didn't, fool. And everything went to shit after that because VAR called them and said, all right, this needs to be looked at, might be a penalty. Fine, red card, cool. Now, on the way to the screen, the referee wasn't 4 seconds into looking to the screen. This coach, Silva, whatever I'm on him, walk up to the referee and start talking to the man ears. So the man said, Pussy, stop your eyes. And jab a red card and Van Silva, and then go back, go watch the thing, come back and drop a red card on William because it was a red card, then the penalty. And then, out of no friggin' where, the big bad, bold Mitrovic come out of nowhere with him backhand like him a played tennis. Boom, when I man ribs. Man nearly broke the man ribs in the party. It was so bad. I'm not supposed to laugh. I'm not supposed, let's be serious. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, it was difficult. It was difficult because after that it just seemed like Manchester United was gonna win it regardless. Bruno came in, stepped up, goal. Bruno was integral in the build up towards that goal in terms of passing the ball from the defense line to Anthony. Anthony dribbled inside, play to Sancho, and then Sancho doing that damage. But after that, it was Manchester United because, of course, they're playing with 9 people for and one of them my goalkeeper. So it's gonna be tough. And Bruno again gave the Sancho. Sancho pass a precise ball, angled the ball perfectly in front of Luke Shaw. To which Luke Shaw just stick it down the middle and Sabitza, my boy, get his first goal, and I like that. And then after that, it was all curtains. Bruno with the last minute goal to finish it off, and I like that. I like that Manchester United was able to take advantage of a situation which shouldn't have been a situation in the first place. But hey, listen, carry on, fam. Thank you, Fulham, for helping Manchester United making the semi-finals of this year FA Cup. Thank you very much. We have Brighton next, about 25th or something like so. It's going to be difficult. It is going to be difficult. But hey, anything can happen. Any blood, anything can happen. Big up to Usain Bolt, man there at the stadium today. Met with Eric Ten Hag, met with Sir Alex. Big up yourself, Usain Bolt. Send a message to the Manchester United fans. Listen, Manchester United is back. Manchester United will be backing you with Eric Ten Hag. Big up yourself. Anyway, people, thank you guys for watching. This has been just a slight weekend review of Manchester United's weekend so far. Looking forward to the rest of the week. We have international break for the men's team, but the female team will be back this weekend playing the WSL. It's going to be a silly weekend. But hey, let's have it, fam. Let's have it. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.